Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. These are the new Galaxy Buds Plus. Are they any good? Are they better than the original ones which I had in yellow? I went for white this time. And how do they compare to AirPods Pro? So what I'm going to do, show you what's in the box, show you the app, and talk about sound quality. And there's a lot to talk about on the sound quality, and I'll cover call quality and a couple other features as well. Let's go check it all out. So looking at the app, you get the battery levels from the left and the right. You can adjust the ambient sound. Hang on, let's go back. You can adjust the ambient sound, and that works quite nicely. You can also adjust it using the touch controls on the buds themselves. And I will say the touch controls do work really well. You've got the EQ here. It does vary from device. On my iPhone 11 Pro, I found normal or soft works the best. Dynamic was terrible. You can manage notifications here. Let's just cancel that, and you can read aloud while using the phone as well. Got options there. The touchpad, so it shows you here you can play a pause, play next track, answer call, play previous track, and you can decline the call. You can lock the trackpad, and you can actually adjust and fine-tune what you like as well, and you can even have the volume options as well. So I like having ambient sound as an option, so I can turn that on and off. And you also have the manual. You can reset the earbuds. Now, if when you go to pair these for the first time, you haven't charged them for 10 minutes, which you should do because you'll run into problems when you can do your first pairing. If you press and hold on the buds on the top, on the touch controls, for over 3 seconds, the light starts flashing and you can repair them. But don't forget to have deleted the pairing in the Bluetooth settings of your phone before you do that. And also, I did have a firmware update that was available on the first time I actually fired these up. So you might need to do that. That's really handy. I did a nice call, and having the ambient sound on does make a difference. So there we go, that's the app. And then we'll talk about sound quality, which is most important, plus all the other Bluetooth things. Quick start guys in there. The headphones themselves, we'll cover those in a sec. In here you have a few options. So you've got the charging cable, and you've got some additional sized pieces here. And you've got different size options for the ends of the earphones themselves. Let's put that back in there. So if we just take a look at the earbuds themselves, you'll notice they have this piece of rubber here, which is sort of slightly soft, and you've got medium tips on there. A bit closer for you. You've got various sensors. It's the right side, and these are touch controls as well. When I go through the app, you'll see what they are. But just having this extra little tip here does mean that they actually work and hold quite nicely in the ear. If you look at the AirPods, let's take one of these out, Pro, you can see the AirPod Pro is a different design, but these will hold in better than the AirPods Pro themselves. But these don't, because they're vented, they don't feel as plugged in as these. And there we go. So, sound quality. What do these sound like? Well, when you first get the Buds Plus and you listen to them, you think, my God, these sound terrible. The treble was quite harsh and brittle. I was quite surprised. But you do need to let these run for a bit, and then they come alive. They take, I think, probably 5 hours before they start coming out their shell a bit, and after an hour they're much better, but they get even slightly better. They sound okay on an iPhone 11 Pro, not too bad, but when you use them on a decent Android phone with higher Bluetooth codecs, they sound much better, and no surprise there. So device dependent, I would say these are better with a Samsung phone, no surprises there. Average on an iPhone. The case here is G chargeable, like the AirPods case. That is also the case. You can put this one and charge it wirelessly. Size wise, pretty much the same, give or take. In terms of sound quality, now they've had a bit of burn-in. What do they sound like? Well, I got to be honest, they aren't the best. I think something like the Jabra 75 Elite 75T probably better in terms of sound quality, but they do get the versatility in terms of calls. I would actually say I've did a number of phone calls and nobody knew I actually was making a call from a Bluetooth headset. That is really good, and the call quality was excellent, absolutely excellent. Very much on par with the AirPods here, actually. Surprising, really, if not better at times. But again, they'll work better depending on your device. So, yeah, your mileage may vary. Sound quality, again, these sound better if you're using an iPhone. These sound better if you're using Android. Would I recommend going out and buying them? If you're Samsung, like Samsung products maybe. I like the fact that it's a Qi charging case. It does have USB-C, so it's all uniform in that respect, whereas you need Lightning here. I'm not bowled over. I'm not completely blown away with the sound quality. Call quality, yes, was excellent. Sound quality, if you've got the right device, these do sound good. If you don't have, but they don't have the versatility of some of the other earphones that are out on the market. If you've got a specific question, because obviously there might be something for you that's really specific, then let me know in the comments. I'll leave a link, so if you need to actually find out the full specifications and stuff like that, you can, and just in the description below will be a link to these where you can check out anything you need to know. Anyway, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.